Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. I'm Johnny Switchblade here, and today I'm going to be giving you a Strongblock update. So stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV once again. And today, I'm going to be giving you another Strongblock update. So let's get right into it, guys. If you guys watched my last video, I talked about how I make $80 a day passive income. So I told you guys to get on Strongblock token. Told you, get on Strongblock token because, you know, it's doing things. Y'all didn't listen. You didn't listen. Just like Dogecoin, you didn't listen. But I'm telling you. So, when I purchased my Strong nodes, we were at 212. Strong was at 212. So every node that I purchased cost me about $2,300, $2,100, something like that. You can do the math. Anyway, so it cost me around $2,000. I was able to put together close to 10 grand to get about four and a half nodes. It was kind of like I got 8 grand together, bought 4 nodes. I was hooked. Put together another 2,000, threw in another node. So now I'm at 4 nodes, I believe, when I made that video, and I was making $80 a day at 212 a strong token. So now after that video, I was able to create my additional 5th node. I accidentally named it number 4. I don't know. You'll see that if you go here to all nodes and you scroll down and you start looking at the names of everybody's nodes, you'll see that people will, you know, accidentally name their node the previous number that they were on. So anyways, back to here. We're on 5 nodes at 0.1 strong token rewards a day. So I'm at 5 nodes now, and strong token has dramatically gone up. I think I was at probably like, let's do the math here, guys. Let's do the math. Oh, I don't think I have a calculator on here. Do I? Yeah. So at 212, I was earning, let's see, 0.5. Actually, let's go back. Let's do 0.4 because I only had 4 nodes. 0.4, we'll times that by 30 days. So 12 tokens a day. 12 tokens a month I was earning with 4 nodes. And let's multiply that by 212 because that's when I first purchased in the beginning of August. I was making $2,500 a month passive income, and on top of my regular income, that was awesome. So, yeah, a lot has happened in this last month, guys. Like, ridiculous. Strong is just going to the moon. My investments in Strong, a Strong token has basically tripled from 212 to 600. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, what is this video all about? I'm going to show you guys what I'm making now. Just with 5 nodes. 5 nodes, passive income. What we're going to do is we're going to go to CoinGecko. As you can see right now, Strong token is at 618. 618, guys. Tripled since August. In 1 month, it tripled. That is insane. Insane returns. And Okay, so with 5 nodes, 30 days, you know, 0.5 a day, I make 15 tokens a month passive income. So 15 tokens a month at 618. What? What? Strong is now outperforming all of my income streams on its own. That is insane. I mean, that is insane. I probably make more money than most of my professional friends now. It's wild. Someone's looking out for me. And it's kind of nice. You know, wow. I told you guys before that, you know, I came from nothing really. I mean, I didn't have a family to you know, give me money all the time. I didn't come from generational wealth. I was homeless for a period of time and it sucked. You know, me and my brothers were living on the streets for a little bit and, you know, it really sucked. And now crypto has really changed my life. It's like I'm beyond words, guys. I am beyond words. And if you think that it's too late to get into Strong Token, well, think again. It's not. I mean, all you have to do is work towards one Strong Token. That's it. Work towards $600. And then work towards the next token, whatever that may be. I mean, you're investing already anyways. So keep investing. Keep investing and working your way up to 10 strong tokens. That's all it takes, man. All it takes is 10 strong tokens to create one node, plus some gas fees. Let's say $100 extra, $700 right now. $600 per token plus an additional $100. You know, it's not unattainable. I used to have the poverty mindset too, where I thought $6,000 was holy crap. When would I ever have $6,000 in my pocket? Never. I used to think like that, and it was hard to make $6,000. Now, you know, it's obtainable. I did it. I did it from nothing, absolutely zero. You know, I started investing $20 here and there, and I worked my way up to, you know, about 10 grand. And, you know, I was able to invest into these nodes, which now are making, you know, about 10 grand a month. It's not impossible. It's not. You just got to do it. You just got to try. You just got to, you know, believe that you can do it. And it's possible, guys. It's possible. I'm coming up on my 6th node pretty soon. So at my 6th node, I'll be making 18 tokens a month. So 15, let me go to 18 now. At the current price of Strong, at $618, that's $11,000 a month. It's insane. Coming from an average home, that is insane. Change your life, guys. Change your life. Get into crypto. Build up your wealth. Build up as much as you need to get 10 strong tokens. And then create your node. After 100 days on your first node, you'll be able to build another one. After 50 days after that, you'll be able to build your third one. So on and so forth. The time gets shorter and shorter. You'll be where I'm at very soon. Do it, guys. You can do it. I believe in you. Go do it now. Change your life. That's going to do it for today. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, give me a sub, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, but most importantly, go change your life. Go make some money. Go do what you intended it to do in the first place, was to get rich. Go get rich. It's possible, guys. That's gonna do it for today. Johnny Switchblade here, Switchblade TV, and peace.